You are welcome here. Welcome to today's Trader Days and Signal. It has been a while. For like 2 weeks now, I've not been stable enough to do some analysis to post. But I've been trading low-key, trying to, put everything together. And at the same time, I'm moving into my new office. So the works and everything is somehow heavy on my neck. So I couldn't sit down to do several, analysis daily. So now, we're going to start from what is it called? From higher time frame. We try to analyze maybe from daily. Let's start from daily to try and see our analysis for the month. We talked about some expectation within this month and what we are anticipating. And this is the dealing range that we did establish during our what is it called? During the beginning of the month. Establish this dealing range and we are anticipating the fact that we can react from the premium area of the dealing range to taking out the liquidity that we have in our week low that we are anticipating the liquidity below it to be raided or to be purged either way. So now we are as we can see we are still within the dealing range that we have on daily, and we've been trading from within the level. And as you can see, our strong guy is still intact and our weak low is also intact. So for the whole month, we trend up and we've been trading in between the premium and discount level of our dealing rate on Euro USD. So let's erase all our notation and try to establish what has been going on from. So we're still going to establish our dealing rate, which is actually from within this level, which happens to be our strong guy, where we are expecting price to be protected. And as you can see, price traded close to the strong guy, but it was sent back. And if the sending off from this level did not eventually take out this low, then automatically we know that we are getting a shift from within the market. And from within this level, here happens to be our week low. Or now that we have this dealing range, and the first level, the second level, all the levels, the internal structure, other block or lower time frame, even this what is it called? This mitigation block that is supposed to send price, we can see a little reaction from the level, but we can see that it eventually just continue to punch it off and it's close to our strong eye. And as you can see, whenever we are having something like this within our dealing range, we automatically know that the strong eye that we are expected to be protected is only there for a while. And before you know it, we can have it being, transcended into the eyes. So if we have this massive purge into our premiums, this could have been the discounted area to sell the something from. Oh, okay. Discounted area, but it has been purged. It was purged within the something, and we transferred above the 50% dealing range. So if we have something like this within the market, we automatically know or expect even the level is not everything is probability anyway. But even the level as we have it here can continue to take out this weak low. Excuse me. So it can take out this weak low and we can continue to trade lower. But the high probability of it is the fact that we can just create a shift from within this level here, and market can come ahead and give us a trend TC here, which is trend change, and we can continue to have a structure break into the highs. So that can be what might want to happen from within that level. So as we have it now, if we have it from within this level, we automatically know that we have to tread carefully since we are within this major dealing range. But if we go on lower time frame, we're going to see now with this kind of reaction we have here now, we are establishing another dealing range within dealing range anyway. So we're going to pick that to be our high, and here is going to be our low. So we cannot potentially tag one to be the strong guy that will be protected, or anyone that will be, that will be taken, whichever one, anything can happen from within that level. All we know is liquidity is resting both above and below all these levels here. So here can serve as a potential shift. So here can serve as a potential shift, which is a major MSS in the market. And at the same time, we can have, as you can see, we have this level within this leg. It can continue to set price something. But we can just go on lower time frame, try to see what we have there. This is our established high and low. And from within this level, we are spotting some kind of levels here, which is here automatically giving us turtle soup, which is as you can see, the liquidity below that low has been taken, and if we have here, if automatically this level give us something called um okay, we can have what is it called from within this level here. So we are anticipating major trend change from within this level. If this high was is being broken above and closed above, then automatically we know that we've gotten so here is a turtle soup, is a major turtle soup for that matter. So we'll be anticipating some kind of closure above that level. So um okay. So if we transact above that level, then automatically we know that we can continue to do what? To go high into the market. So that being said, we have another level here. So from within this leg here, here is our dealing range, this particular level here on lower time frame. We check clearly, there is only one something that we are anticipating. We've gotten a turtle soup here. And wherever, if we check our lower time frame, we will see that from within the level we even have a turtle soup here, and we have a shift which give us a trend change, and then automatically we have some kind of level here. But if you check on 4 hour, we'll try and see the leg, and anything can happen from within that leg, from within here. So we can be anticipating anything from this. We can't call it other block because of something, but at the same time, we can just have it as other block pending the time that we're going to see, okay. So we can see a proper trading into the level. And if we check properly, this is another level above it that can serve as a proportion block. And we can have, what is it called from above it? So here, this proportion block, this is another block coming from higher time frame. And this particular level serve as a proportion block into the highs. And if we're going to be taking any trades from within the level, I'm going to suggest we take it from here and landing within that level, and that is 13 pips for that matter. And 30 pips is going to give us 665 pips. Uh, uh, 65 pips return, which will give us our potential 1 to 5 in the market. So yes, we can just try to take our trades from within this level into the highs. It's a probability game, and we can continue to kind of, see what we can take from within this level. So here stands out, and we can be anticipating price coming back into that level into the highs. So I guess that will be our trade at least for now. So I guess that will be all for today. Thank you very much. Have a profitable day ahead. Uh, that's all.